In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard shortcuts on Tradingview. Customizing shortcuts is one of the fastest ways to speed up your charting and trading workflow. And the process is straightforward once you know where to look. First, open the Keyboard Shortcuts panel. You can do this two ways. If you prefer the menu, click the user profile icon in the top right and select Keyboard Shortcuts. If you like using keys right away, press Ctrl and / on Windows or Command and / on Mac. Either method brings up the same panel, where all available commands and their current key combinations are listed. Inside this panel, everything is organized so you can find what you need quickly. You'll see categories like charts, indicators, and drawings, watch list, trading, and others. Browse to the category that matches what you want to control. Charts covers navigation and chart actions. Indicators and drawings is for tools like trend lines and indicators. Watchlist focuses on symbol management, trading covers order-related actions, and others catches various utility commands. To modify a shortcut, click directly on the existing key combo next to the command you want to change. When it highlights, press your preferred combination on the keyboard. Use modifiers like Shift-Alt, Control on Windows, or Command and Option on Mac to create distinct and reliable shortcuts. If the combination conflicts with another command, the interface typically alerts you so you can choose something else. It's a good idea to avoid keys that your operating system reserves globally, since those may not behave as expected inside the browser. You'll also find helpful built-in defaults that many traders use as is. For example, Alt+A creates an alert. Shift+B places a buy market order, and Shift+S places a sell market order. If those match your habits, leave them as they are. If not, reassign them to something that feels more natural. After you update a few, try them right away on your chart to confirm they do exactly what you expect. If you ever change your mind or things start to feel cluttered, you can reset everything back to the default configuration from the same keyboard shortcuts menu. This is a safe fallback that restores the original layout without you having to remember each change individually. That's all there is to it. Open the Keyboard Shortcuts panel, navigate by category, click to reassign, and reset if needed. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll spend less time clicking through menus and more time focusing on your analysis.